How's it going? Good, wonderful. So today we're going to go through a simple little recipe that you can use at home. It's really good for after you work out because it's got lots of protein in it. And most of the stuff is stuff that you'll probably already have. So you're going to start with some yogurt here. I have some Greek yogurt in here. It's got lots of protein, so if you have that, that's great. If you don't worry about it. So today we're going to be making a protein bowl, which is basically a whole bunch of stuff just added into one bowl and mixed together, which is my favorite style of cooking because I don't actually own any measuring cups. So you're going to start with the yogurt here, and then you're going to add whatever you want next. I have some protein powder here. If you don't have protein powder, don't worry about it. It just gives you a little bit of extra protein in there. Add a little bit. I usually add half of a scoop because the Greek yogurt's got a lot of protein in it, and the protein powder is pretty strong. You're going to stir that in there, mix that up. Okay, we got that all mixed. Then I'm going to add in some cinnamon for flavor. Everybody loves cinnamon. Just going to throw stuff in there. You don't really have to measure anything. And since I haven't had coffee today, I'm going to add some instant coffee mix. It's really good. If you add it in there, it tastes a little bit like espresso, and it's usually a secret ingredient. So if you need a little caffeine in there, you throw that in there. And put some walnuts in there, for some more protein and some crunchy parts. Got that. Then I'm going to throw in some oats because you want a little bit of carbs for your body to recover after you work out. Sprinkle a little bit of that in there. Ta-da! Then I've chopped up some apples. I'm going to throw some apples in there. And it makes it nice and sweet. And, well, there goes one apple. And since I didn't get a butter knife, I'm going to use this ginormous knife to scoop some peanut butter in here. Just like that. Add maybe this much. If you want a bit more peanut butter, go for it. But the peanut butter that you need to store in the fridge is a little bit stronger tasting, so you don't need to put so much in there. But peanut butter's also got lots of protein for you. And then you're just going to mix it all up. Make it look pretty. Then before you eat it, you're going to want to make sure to take a picture for Instagram if it's looking nice. And then you can be on your merry way and eat your lovely protein bowl. Thanks.